Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about the second type of isomeres. We know isomeres have two types of isomeres. One is structural and second one is stereo. In structural isomeres further classified into six categories. We have already discussed about this, that chain isomeres, position isomeres, metameres, functional isomeres, tautomeres and ring chain isomeres. We are going to discuss another most important isomeres and name stereo isomeres. What is stereo isomeres? I have written here the definition of stereo isomeres. Okay, dear student. So first of all, see here, when two or more compounds having the same molecular formula, two or more compounds having same molecular formula and similar chemical structure passes different arrangement of atoms or groups in space and possess different properties characteristics of their configuration, the phenomena is known as stereoisomers, and such compounds are called stereoisomers. Okay, dear student, and we know the stereoisomers further classified into two categories. One is geometrical isomeres and second one is optical isomeres. So we will start today the geometrical isomeres. Okay, dear student, geometrical isomeres. The part of stereoisomeres, one is geometrical isomeres. So we will start today geometrical isomeres. Geometrical isomeres. Okay, dear student, first of all, we should know which compound shows geometrical isomers. The organic compound having double bond between carbon shows geometrical isomers. Okay, dear student, geometrical isomers. What is geometrical isomers? Now question arises, when two compounds having same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms around the double bonded carbon atom is called geometrical isomers, and the compound formed after the spatial arrangement of atoms or group of atoms around the carbon atom, double bonded carbon atom, is called geometrical isomers. Geometrical isomers further classified into cis and trans. Okay, cis, when the same group attached in the same plane is called cis isomers, while the same group attached to opposite plane of the double bonded carbon atom is called trans isomers. Okay, dear student, let us see with giving example. Okay, one thing is, first of all, I am going to write here the definition of geometrical isomers. When two compounds having when two compounds having same molecular formula, also similar chemical structure, similar chemical structure, chemical structures. Okay, dear student, chemical structures, and a double bond passes a double bond passes different arrangement, different geometrical arrangement of atoms or groups, atoms or groups about the double bonded carbon atom, about the double bonded carbon atom is called or the phenomena is called the phenomena is called geometrical isomerism. Okay, dear student, geometrical isomerism. Okay. Now, and the compounds are known as geometrical isomers. Okay, geometrical isomers of cis type, cis isomers. One is cis isomers and second one is trans isomers. Okay, dear student. Now, question is what is cis isomers? The isomers in which similar group in this isomers similar groups are attached to the same plane, while in this isomers similar groups are situated opposite to the plane. Okay, dear student, this is called cis isomerism, trans isomerism. Let us see the example given. The compound which show geometrical isomerism should be ABC double bond CAB or AXC double bond CAY. Okay, dear student, the compound which show geometrical isomerism should have this type formula ABC or ACAB double bonded CAB, AXC double bond CAY. Here C carbon atom bonded with double bond and the balancing of this carbon satisfied with AB and also this AB. Here AB, AX and AY are maybe atoms or group of atoms. Maybe atoms or groups of atoms. Okay, dear student. The organic compound having double bond and this type formula ABC double bond CAB or AXC carbon double bond carbon AY. These type compounds show geometrical isomerism, and here AB, AX and AY may be atoms or group of atom. Okay, dear student, let us see by taking example. Okay, suppose we have butene, the formula butene. Example, butene. In butene, the formula of butene, the structure formula CH3, CH double bond CH and CH3. This is called butene. Okay, the formula butene. Now the arrangement of atoms around the carbon-carbon double bond, like here C, it may be C double bond C, H, CH3, H and CH3. If an imaginary line draw between the carbon-carbon double bond like this. This is lower plane, this is upper plane. One side here, second side here. Or one side here, second side here. Okay? And you can see here the same group attached in the same plane, while in case of C double bond C, H, CH3 and H, CH3. Both type arrangement may be possible in this compound. Okay, here in this side the two opposite plane, here in opposite plane two same group are attached. Methyl arranged in lower plane, while in this carbon the methyl arranged at upper plane, upper side. So this is called trans butene, while this is called cis butene. That means in cis butene or in cis isomers, the same group should be in similar plane, same plane, while in trans isomers the same group should be attached in the opposite plane. Okay, should be situated in the opposite plane. Where in these conditions we have draw a imaginary line. You will not draw it. Okay, only for the it is only for the understanding the plane. Okay, dear student. But in book is written that the same group, similar groups are arranged on the same side of the double bond, while in trans isomers same group attached on the opposite side. Okay, dear student, you may discuss as you may understand. Let us see the another example. Let us see the another example. Another example is 1,2-dibromoethane. 1,2-dibromoethane. Okay, this is the another. Okay, see here 1,2-dibromoethane, C double bond C, ethane 2 carbon, H, Br and Br. Okay, and it may be found another structure H, C, Br, double bond C, Br and H. Okay, dear student, you can see here the same group attached in same side, while in this structure same group attached in different side. So it is called cis 1,2-dibromoethane. 1,2-dibromoethane, while this is called trans 1,2-dibromoethane. Okay, dear student, let us see the another type of example. Third one is but-2-in-1,4-dioic acid. But-2-in-1,4-dioic acid. 1,4-dioic acid means HOOC H double bond CHCOOH. This is the skeleton or pentane structure of but-2-in 1,4-1,2-3-4-1,2-3-4 1,4-dioic acid. The arrangement of atoms around the double bond carbon like this, carbon carbon, and one is hydrogen and COOH, and here also COOH, and here H. You can see here the same group attached, the similar group attached in same side, so it is called cis. Cis due to in 1,4-dioic acid. Cis due to in 1,4-dioic acid. Okay, 1,4-dioic acid. This is called malic acid. Malic acid. Okay, dear student. And second one is, this arrangement may be as hydrogen and C double bond O and COOH and H. Here the same similar group attached to different side or opposite side, you can see here, so it is called trans butene in 1,4-dioic acid. Okay, dear student. So let us see the another example. Another example is due to enoic acid. Due to enoic acid. Okay, due to enoic acid. The structure of due to enoic acid is CH3 CH double bond C or 2 3 4 CH COOH. This is called due to enoic acid. Due to enoic acid. The arrangement of atoms and group of atoms around the carbon atom may be as C double bond C COOH and here also H and CH3. You can see here the similar group attached in same side or same plane, situated same plane, so it is called cis, and the name of this compound cis due to enoic acid, and the trans form is C double bond C OOH H CH3 and here H. Okay, dear student, the opposite atoms here, hydrogen attached to opposite plane, so it is called trans due to enoic acid. Okay, dear student, there should be a dash between digit and word, so enoic acid. Okay, so these are the geometrical isomeres. Okay, and the structure form here, geometrical isomers. And geometrical isomers are of two types. One is cis and second one is trans. In cis condition, in cis isomers, the similar group attached to the same side of the carbon-carbon double bond, while in trans isomers, the similar group attached to opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, dear student. Now, next video we will discuss about the conditions for geometrical isomers and another steric hindrance like and the some other examples. Okay, thank you, all the best.